It's frustrating to feel busy all day and still feel unproductive. That feeling often comes from trying to manage too much at once. When everything feels important, nothing feels clear. Your brain stays busy, but nothing settles. Here's the simple idea behind this class. Small habits work because they reduce pressure. And pressure is usually the thing that makes people quit. Now, a small habit is one clear action you can finish without stress. It doesn't try to organize your whole life, it just gives your day a little shape. Think of it like placing one bookmark in your day, not writing the whole book, just marking one place you can return to. There are three parts to this idea. First, clarity. When you write one small habit down, your brain stops juggling everything. You don't have to remember it. You can see it. Second, consistency. Small habits are easier to repeat because they don't require motivation. You don't need a good day to do them. Third, trust. Each time you finish something small, you start trusting yourself again. And that trust quietly changes how you show up tomorrow. For example, if your day feels chaotic, you can choose one tiny task to anchor it because one finished task is better than 10 unfinished plans. So here's how we'll build this together. We'll start with one clear daily focus. Then we'll add one time anchor. Finally, we'll add gentle closing note to reduce pressure. This three-part flow works because it matches real life. It doesn't fight busy days. It works with them. If this idea helped you feel a little clearer and you want the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the full class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month. Before you go, leave a comment and tell me what part of this topic feels hardest right now. Your comments really help more beginners find this video, and I read everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and if this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.